This is my 16-foot sliding table saw. I have made the case for years now how important a track saw is, a quality track saw, to any production woodworking shop, particularly the finish carpenter. And the tool that I insist that it replaces is a sliding table saw, not a cabinet saw or a regular table saw. This is the saw that big production shops have, and they're very expensive. The beauty of a sliding table saw comes when you have a very long slider. Starting at 10 is kind of on the small end, but if you can get a 16-footer, which are hard to come by, those are magic. But they take up a ton of room, they're very expensive, and I've never seen one that doesn't run on 3-phase power. This is my longest track. I can buy longer ones, but this fits in the smart wood shop right to the edge. Anything longer, I'd have to find another spot. And I rarely need anything longer because this covers my 8-foot sheet good. So this would be my 10-foot sliding table saw. With this simple little rail, I can grab any two of my tracks, slide this in, no adjustment, no fine tuning, and it's self-centering. I'm not doing any adjustment. And then I'll grab another track. It could be just one to extend it a little bit. It could be this track to extend it a lot, or a second long one. It really lines it up. Again, you don't have to spend any time fussing with it, making sure, oh, did I get it on straight? Ready to go. Lined up, absolutely smooth. What is unique about these and what TSO has done to make these so precise is the tightening screw is this big flat area, not just a little set screw that would be this little pinpoint. This pretty much fills up that whole track area on the back of the track. And there's 4 of them. So you just tighten 2 on one side, 2 on the other, and it is machined to the tightest tolerances. This is TSO's GRC-12. As hard as it is to believe, we're just 2 weeks from the end of 2024, and this is TSO's last chance sale. All of this beautiful stuff and more is on sale right now. TSO's last chance sale started today, Friday, and goes to Monday, the 16th. I'll put my TSO affiliate link in the description of this video down below. If you use it, they will share a little bit with us and you still get the sale. TSO doesn't pay me or ask me to make any of these videos. It's just these tools are high on my list that I actually use day in and day out, and I love it when they go on sale, so I pay attention to their sales and let you know about them. If you enjoy these videos, if you like seeing these tools and these things like this little 16-foot stroke saw here, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, but when you subscribe, make sure you ring that bell, because it seems like Google doesn't let you know about a new video unless you actually check that bell. Enjoy the last 2 weeks of 2024. Mahalo.